Wait. Max, yesterday I said I wake up at 7 o'clock to my British friend and she laughed. Why? What did I do wrong? It's correct grammar, right?
Oh no, Lily, you didn't make a grammar mistake, but you sounded like a robot. And today we're going to fix that. Because talking about your daily life in English, it's not just about grammar, it's about sounding natural, like a real person. Stay with us. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how native speakers really talk about their day. Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Hello. So happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is super important because every single day you need to talk about your life, what you do, what you did, what you will do. It's the most common conversation topic in English.
Exactly. Whether you're chatting with a colleague, texting a friend, or making small talk with your neighbor, you need these phrases. And the good news? They're actually really simple once you know the natural way to say them.
By the end of this episode, you'll learn how to describe your morning routine, your work or school day, your evening activities, and even how to make it all sound interesting and not boring.
Yes, because nobody wants to sound like a boring textbook, right?
Right, so let's jump in. Lily, tell me, what's the first thing you do every morning?
Okay, so the first thing I do is I wake up.
Perfect. I wake up. That's the correct phrase. But here's the thing. Native speakers usually add more information to make it natural. We don't just say, I wake up. We say, I wake up at 7, or I usually wake up around 7:30.
Oh, so we add the time.
Yes, and notice I said around 7:30, not at exactly 7:30. When we're talking casually, we often use around because it sounds more relaxed and natural.
Got it. So instead of saying I wake up at 7 o'clock, I can say I usually wake up around 7.
Perfect. Now, what do you do after you wake up?
I check my phone.
Same. Most people do that nowadays. So you can say, the first thing I do is check my phone, or I usually check my phone right away.
Right away. That means immediately, right?
Exactly. Right away is a very common phrase. It means you do something immediately without waiting.
Okay, listeners, try saying this out loud with me. I wake up around 7 and I check my phone right away.
Good. Now, after checking your phone, what's next?
Then I get out of bed, or should I say I leave my bed?
Ooh, good question. We say get out of bed, not leave my bed. Leave sounds a little formal here. Get out of bed is the natural way.
Interesting. So get out of bed. What about getting dressed? Do I say I wear my clothes?
Another great question. We don't say I wear my clothes. We say I get dressed or I put on my clothes.
Ah, get dressed. That makes sense. English loves these get phrases, doesn't it?
Oh yes, get is everywhere. Get up, get dressed, get ready, get going. We use get all the time in daily life conversations.
Okay, so a natural morning routine might sound like I wake up around 7, check my phone right away, get out of bed, and then get dressed.
Perfect. Now, what about breakfast? Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I usually have coffee and toast.
Great. So you can say, I have breakfast or I eat breakfast. Both are correct. But native speakers often say what they eat, like, I usually have coffee and toast, or I grab a quick breakfast.
Grab a quick breakfast. Oh, that sounds so natural.
It does. Grab means to take something quickly. So grab breakfast, grab lunch, grab a coffee. These are all very common expressions.
I love it. What about people who don't eat breakfast?
Good point. You can say, I skip breakfast, or I don't usually eat breakfast.
Skip breakfast. That's a useful one. Okay, everyone, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I wake up around 7, get out of bed, get dressed, and grab a quick breakfast.
Excellent. Now, before you leave home, what else do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Yes, brush my teeth, and maybe wash my face, do my makeup, style my hair. These are all morning routine activities.
What about taking a shower? Do I say I take a shower or I have a shower?
Both. In American English, we usually say take a shower. In British English, people often say have a shower. Both are perfectly correct.
That's so interesting. English has so many little differences.
It does. But don't worry, people will understand you either way.
Okay, so now I'm ready to leave. Do I say I go to work or I leave to work?
Great question. We say I go to work, not leave to work. You can say I leave home or I leave the house, but then you go to work.
Got it. I leave home at 8 and go to work.
Perfect. Or you could say I head to work. Head to is another natural way to say go to.
Oh, I head to work. That sounds so casual and natural.
All right, so now you're at work or school. How do you talk about that part of your day?
I usually say I work 9 to 5 or I study from morning to afternoon.
Good, those are correct. But let's make them sound more natural. You can say, I work 9 to 5. You don't always need the from. And instead of morning to afternoon, you could say, I have classes from 9 to 3, or I'm at school all day.
Oh, so we can drop small words to sound more casual.
Yes, in casual conversation, we often simplify. Instead of saying, I work from 9 to 5, we just say, I work 9 to 5.
Love it. What about lunch break? How do I talk about that?
You can say, I take my lunch break at noon, or I usually eat lunch around 12:30. Or if you're busy, you can say, I squeeze in a quick lunch.
Squeeze in. Oh, that's a good one. So if I'm really busy, I can say, I barely have time for lunch, or I squeeze in a quick lunch.
Exactly. And here's another natural phrase, grab lunch. Like, I grab lunch with my coworkers, or I grab a sandwich from the cafe.
There's that word grab again. English really loves grab.
We do. It's quick, casual, and very natural.
Okay, so what if someone asks me, what do you do at work? How should I answer?
Great question. Don't just list tasks like a robot, make it conversational. For example, I work in marketing. I spend most of my day in meetings and answering emails. It's pretty busy, but I enjoy it.
Ah, so we add feelings and details, not just facts.
Exactly. That's what makes conversation natural. You're not filling out a form, you're talking to a person.
I love that. Okay, let's practice. Everyone, say this with me. I work 9 to 5. I spend most of my day in meetings. It's pretty busy, but I like my coworkers.
Perfect. Now, if you're a student, you might say, I have classes from 9 to 3. Most of my classes are online. It's a lot of work, but it's interesting.
Yes, see how we added personality? It's a lot of work, but it's interesting. That's way better than just I study.
Absolutely. And if someone asks, how was your day? Don't just say good. That's boring. Say something like, pretty good, busy but productive, or a bit tiring but not bad.
Oh, I love those answers. They're honest and interesting.
Okay, hold on everyone. Before we continue, I need to tell you something. Most English learners make one big mistake when talking about their daily life. Do you know what it is?
Ooh, what is it?
They use the present continuous when they should use the present simple.
Wait, what? Can you explain?
Sure, many learners say, I am waking up at 7 every day. But that's wrong. For habits and routines, we use the present simple. I wake up at 7.
Oh, so present continuous is for things happening right now, and present simple is for routines.
Exactly. I am waking up means it's happening right now, but I wake up at 7 means it's your routine, your habit.
That makes so much sense. Okay, everyone, remember, when talking about your daily routine, use present simple, like I wake up at 7, go to work, I eat breakfast, not I am waking up, I am going, I am eating.
Perfect. All right, let's keep going. Now, let's talk about the evening.
Okay, so after work or school, what do people usually say?
Well, first, how do you get home? Do you drive, take the bus, walk?
I take the subway.
Perfect. So you can say, I take the subway home, or I commute by subway.
Commute, that's a good word. So my commute is about 30 minutes, or I commute by bus.
Exactly. And when you arrive home, what do you say? Do you say, I arrived to my home?
I'm not sure.
We say, I get home or I arrive home, not arrive to home.
Ah, I get home around 6. Got it.
Yes, and then what's the first thing you do when you get home?
I change my clothes, or should I say I change clothes?
We usually say, I change into comfortable clothes, or I change out of my work clothes. We add detail to make it natural.
Oh, so I get home, change into comfortable clothes, and relax.
Perfect. Now, what about dinner? How do you talk about dinner?
I cook dinner, or I make dinner.
Both are correct. I cook dinner and I make dinner mean the same thing. You can also say, I prepare dinner if you want to sound a bit more formal.
And what if I don't cook?
Then you can say, I order takeout, or I order delivery, or even, I eat leftovers from yesterday.
Leftovers. That's food from before, right?
Yes, leftovers are food you cooked before and saved to eat later. Very common word.
Okay, so I usually cook dinner, but sometimes I order takeout.
Exactly. That sounds supernatural. Now, after dinner, what do you do?
I watch TV, or I scroll on my phone.
Ha, very honest. Yes, you can say, I watch TV, I watch Netflix, I scroll through social media, or I just chill on the couch.
Chill. I love that word. I just chill on the couch and watch TV.
Perfect. Or if you're more active, you might say, I go to the gym, I go for a walk, I read a book, or I spend time with my family.
Yes, and all of those sound natural and conversational.
Exactly. Now let's talk about bedtime. What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth again, and I wash my face.
Good. I brush my teeth and wash my face. What else?
I put on my pajamas.
Yes, I put on my pajamas, or I get ready for bed.
And then I go to bed?
Yes, I go to bed around 11, or I usually go to sleep around midnight.
Wait, go to bed and go to sleep. Are they different?
Good question. Go to bed means you physically get into bed. Go to sleep or fall asleep means you actually start sleeping. Sometimes you go to bed at 11 but don't fall asleep until midnight.
Oh, that's such an important difference. So I go to bed at 10:30, but I don't fall asleep until 11.
Perfect. That's a very natural sentence.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. We're going to do a quick role play challenge. Ready?
Imagine someone asks you, tell me about your typical day. You need to answer in English. Pause the video right now and try to answer out loud.
Come on, don't be shy. Just talk to yourself. Nobody's listening except you.
All right, I'll give you 5 seconds. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, time's up. How did you do?
Now let me give you a model answer. Listen and compare it to yours.
I wake up around 7 and grab a quick breakfast. I leave home at 8 and take the subway to work. I work 9 to 5. It's pretty busy, but I like it. After work, I get home around 6, cook dinner, and chill on the couch. I usually go to bed around 11.
Did you hear how natural that sounded? No fancy vocabulary, just simple, clear, conversational English.
And notice how I added little details like it's pretty busy and chill on the couch. Those small additions make you sound like a real person.
Exactly. Okay, one more challenge. This time, tell me about yesterday. What did you do yesterday? Remember, use past tense.
Pause the video and try. Go ahead.
Okay, here's my example.
I woke up late, around 8. I skipped breakfast and rushed to work. I had a lot of meetings, so I barely had time for lunch. After work, I went to the gym, came home, and ordered takeout because I was too tired to cook. Then I just watched Netflix and went to bed early.
See? Past tense. Woke up, skipped, rushed, had, went, came, ordered, watched. And it all sounds supernatural.
Perfect. If you can do this, you're already speaking like a native.
Before we finish, I want to share one bonus tip that will make you sound even more natural. Stay until the end for this. It's super simple, but super powerful.
Yes, don't skip ahead. This tip is honestly going to change the way you speak.
All right, let's quickly review everything we learned today.
Number 1, use present simple for routines. Say I wake up at 7, not I am waking up at 7.
Number 2, add time and details to sound natural. Don't just say say I work 9 to 5 and it's pretty busy.
Number 3, use natural phrases like grab breakfast, squeeze in lunch, chill on the couch, and get ready for bed.
Number 4, remember the difference between go to bed and fall asleep.
And number 5, don't sound like a robot. Add feelings and personality to your answers. Say, it's tiring, but I enjoy it, or I was too lazy to cook.
Those 5 points will completely change the way you talk about your daily life in English.
Okay, here's the bonus tip we promised.
When native speakers talk about their day, they use a lot of filler words and softeners to sound relaxed and natural. Words like usually, normally, kind of, pretty much, and basically.
For example, instead of I wake up at 7, we say I usually wake up around 7. Instead of it's busy, we say it's pretty busy.
These little words make you sound less robotic and more human. They show that you're speaking naturally, not reading from a textbook.
So start adding these into your sentences. I usually have coffee in the morning. Work is kind of stressful. I basically just relax at night.
Try it. It's such a simple change, but it makes a huge difference.
All right, everyone, that's it for today. You now know how to talk about your daily life in natural, fluent English.
And remember, this isn't just vocabulary. This is real conversation. This is how native speakers actually talk every single day.
So don't just listen to this episode and forget it. Practice. Tell someone about your day in English. Write it down. Record yourself.
And here's your homework. In the comments, tell us one thing you do every day. Write it in English. For example, I usually wake up at 6 and go for a run.
We'll read your comments and reply. We want to see you practice.
And if you found this episode helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Yes, the more you share, the more learners we can help.
Next time, we're going to teach you how to make plans and invitations in English, how to suggest ideas, accept, decline, and sound polite and natural the whole time.
Oh, that's such a useful topic. You definitely don't want to miss it.
So subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, you're doing amazing.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Bye.
See you next time.